All right, so today we have an unboxing. I actually had some shop points available, and you know how that is. You use them or you lose them. But when I looked, I saw that one of the things that they had was kind of 50% off deals on darn good yarns. So that's kind of what I have here today. I ordered a worsted weight wool yarn. I didn't get to pick the colors. So it is called a Malabrigo, probably pronouncing it. It's the Malabrigo, Malabrigo, it's the Malabrigo 3 Skeins Mystery Pack of worsted weight yarn. So they were sold out of all the smaller weight yarns. Ooh, this is really pretty. So this is a 100 single lot Rios worsted weight. Okay, so this is a 100% superwash merino wool from Rios, and it is absolutely beautiful. Machine washable, cold water, gentle cycle, do not tumble, flat dry. So this is an absolutely stunning skein right here. I really am loving these colors. Let me see. It has about 210 yards, and they recommend that you have 18 to 22 stitches per 4 inches, or use a 4.5 to 5.5 millimeter hook if you are knitting or crocheting. Obviously, if I was weaving with this, I would probably, just looking at it being worsted weight, I would probably use an 8-dent heddle if I was weaving with it. So this is absolutely stunning. Let's see. This is very pretty also. All right, this is also 100% superwash merino wool. Again, about 210 yards. Same thing because it's a worsted weight. It's definitely more beige and gray. You definitely see a lot more beige than gray. I do see some small streaks of beige and a little bit of pink. But again, this is very pretty. It is very soft. Made in Peru. Was the last one made in Peru also? Yes, it was. So here is our final color, which is also very pretty. It's got a lot of rich purples in it, and I love the hues and just hints of gold and green in there, but definitely very rich purple. This would actually look stunning on my daughter. I mean, personally, this is probably my favorite color scheme because it's got so much green and blue in it, and I'm just a huge fan of green and blue, always have been. But this purple is very rich, and I really love it too. And I just know that this color palette will look absolutely stunning if I make something for my daughter with it. Do I know what I would make? No. So I just know that this color scheme would look absolutely gorgeous if I made something for my daughter. They are all about 210 yards. So that would give me roughly 630 yards between all 3 of them. I'm not sure if all 3 of them would work well in one project. I mean, they are all beautiful, but they are all very different. I don't know. What do you guys think? What should we do with these stunning skeins of wool? Should we do a weaving project, a crochet project, or knitting, or maybe try to do a mixture? We don't have a ton of each, but that's okay. We have a little bit to work with, and we can be creative. So let me know what you think. These yarns are from Darn Good Yarn, and so far they definitely feel very soft. They are reminding me very much of when I got the Arcane Fiber. It's a different brand, but Rios seems to be the brand. It feels very nice on my hands right now, so I'm excited to try it. And this is a sample pack. I got it for about $50 because, again, I had some shop points and it took about half the price off. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know which one's your favorite, which one you're the most eager to see, and If you enjoy these unboxings, don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and have an awesome day.